Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ro. I'm a self-diagnosed shopaholic, and today I will be sharing with you all 7 luxury handbags that are from my wish list that are all under $1,000. My list is just growing and growing, but that's okay. If you guys love luxury fashion or shopping in general, please hit that subscribe button down below and also turn on notifications to know when I post my next video. Item number 1 off of my under 1,000 wish list is gonna be the Celine mini Triumph canvas bag. This is so cute. I honestly have been debating on getting this, and I almost pulled the trigger like many times because of how cute this bag is, but it is not practical. It's only 4 by 3 by 2. It is so tiny. I mean, it is a tiny bag and I absolutely love it. However, I haven't pulled the trigger because of how tiny it is. I definitely do think that I do want this in my collection. I'm really hoping soon than later, but this is absolutely so adorable, and it's under 1,000, and this is going to be the smallest bag in this line. The second item on the list is going to be the Baumann khaki 26 tote bag. This is so adorable. It's perfect tote. It's under $1,000 and it comes in 2 colors. It comes in this khaki and the cream color, but I am definitely leaning towards this khaki more. I think this is very similar to the Balenciaga extra small shopping tote bag, which I absolutely love. So this was right up my alley, and I don't have an item from Baumann yet. So I think this would be the next item in my collection, hopefully. I don't know yet. It's really a toss-up between this one and the Celine one that I'm mostly excited about, but they're all part of my wish list that I really hope that I can get one day. Item number 3 is going to be the Saint Laurent Jamie Cube bag. This bag is absolutely stunning. You get suede and calfskin, and then it's very similar to me to a camera bag, which is like so much more than what this is. This is $9.95, right under 1,000, and you get a camera bag kind of look to it, and it also holds a lot. It is a square, so I honestly think that's such a great deal for a Saint Laurent bag under $1,000. Next up is actually going to be 2 bags, but it's really just one because they're both under 1,000 and they're both from the same line. It's just a bigger and a smaller one. It is the Balenciaga Bistro extra small, or the extra small bag. This is in a woven pattern. I absolutely love this. I've been really into raffia bags, and I haven't got my hands on one because I haven't decided which one I want. And this one's like right up the alley of that, but it has so many different colors. I absolutely love the turquoise color for the extra small, and then they also have this green and black mixture woven one for the extra small size, and I think they're absolutely stunning. I haven't decided which size I want. However, I do think that the extra small is what I'm leaning towards because that one's already pretty big for me, and I absolutely love the turquoise color in this. Since we're on the topic of raffia bags, I absolutely love this Loewe one. It is the cylinder bag from Loewe. It is in this black and cream woven pattern. I absolutely think this is so cute for spring and summertime. I really am debating on it because I don't have a cylinder bag yet, and I think this is right up my alley of the raffia and cylinder, and it checks both check marks. So it's a 2-in-1, and it's also under 1,000, so I think this is a pretty good bet for me. However, I haven't decided if I like the Balenciaga one or this one, so please let me know. Next up, we have Gucci. This is the Ophelia mini bag. It is the perfect shape, and I think it's so in right now because Louis Vuitton's loop bag. It is a very similar shape, and I think that this is actually a cheaper version if you were looking for the loop bag. I think if you just add some straps to this one, it could actually definitely look like the loop bag and have the same kind of vibe to it. So I think this is a great choice. I did recently get the loop bag, and if you guys haven't seen that unboxing for it, I will link it up for you guys. But I absolutely love it. So when I saw the Ophelia version of this, I absolutely love it, and it's definitely up there on my wish list. Last but not least is going to be the Chloe small woody tote bag with strap. I actually have always wanted one of these bags, but knowing myself, I do not like to hold on to things. So no, I wanted one with a strap, and I didn't know that they made one with the crossbody strap, and this is absolutely up my alley. I love everything about it, and I love the black handles with the black crossbody strap. Just take my money. Like, that's perfect for me, and I think that's what I'm gravitating towards. And it's right under $1,000 for a tote bag with a strap. That's so crazy to me, and I absolutely love this. I think this is definitely worth the money, as it is so stylish, and this is a Chloe staple. Like, this bag isn't going anywhere, and they're probably just going to add more colors later on, but I definitely do like the black strap ones. And that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like, and also leave comments down below telling me if you guys like these bags, hate these bags, have these bags. Please let me know. I would love to talk to you guys. And also, if you guys love luxury fashion or shopping in general, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on notifications to know when I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much, and I hope to talk to you guys soon.